Welcome to day 10 of our Digging Deep Bible study through the book of Revelation. In our previous study, we examined the phrase "and of the testimony of Jesus Christ" and discovered that Jesus Christ is both the source and the central theme of Revelation. Today, we shall consider the next phrase, "and of all things that he saw." This statement teaches us something very important about the nature of divine revelation. John did not write theories. John did not write opinions. John did not write human imagination. John wrote what God showed him. The book of Revelation is therefore not a product of human speculation, but of divine revelation. Let us allow Scripture to interpret Scripture.